Hi, hello everyone. I hope you all doing good. I'm from PSR Polymers, and we are happy to introduce our new product. It is specially made for a goat farm, and this is a 2x2 product. You can see this one with different colors and kind of things. This is really good for farmers who is going to put a new farm. Actually, this is 2x2, and we had a special element to strong this product, and it is really good for goat urine resistant as well. Like it gives more lifelong for the farmers, and we give 2 years of replacement warranty, and it will be lost for 20 years for you guys. And the thing is it is more cheaper and low cost and cost efficient. The reason we are giving is we are the own manufacturer in our place, so we can give it for the best price. And we have tested with like around 3 tons JCP machine as well in the test as well. It was really fast. We have the videos as well, and we can forward with you with it for. And we have lots of happy customers, like more than 12 years. Whole farms are existing there with the successful farming. And if you really want, and we can come to our company and we can take you to the direct farmers to visit the product, like how the product has been lost long for too long, and kind of things what's been happening over there. Yeah, and we are really happy to share this for all the farmers, and we are really thankful to the farmers who are supporting us, and supporting us for a long time as well. Thank you. Hi, hello everyone. I hope you all doing good. I'm from PSR Polymers, and we are happy to introduce our new product. It is specially made for a goat farm, and this is a 2x2 product. You can see this one with different colors and kind of things. This is really good for farmers who is going to put a new farm. Actually, this is 2x2, and we had a special element to strong this product, and it is really good for goat urine resistant as well. Like it gives more lifelong for the farmers, and we give 2 years of replacement warranty, and it will be lost